Welcome to a comprehensive breakdown. In this video, we will cover the fascinating topic of genetics, the study of heredity and how it affects our lives. Scientists have made tremendous leaps in understanding the genetic makeup of living organisms, and we will delve into the intricacies of how genetics works. At its core, genetics is the study of the DNA sequence that makes up every living organism. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the genetic material that carries our genetic information, determining everything from our physical characteristics to our susceptibility to certain diseases. The human genome, or the complete set of DNA in a single human cell, contains over 3 billion base pairs of DNA. These base pairs form the genetic instructions that make up the building blocks of life. Geneticists study the variations in our genetic makeup and how these variations influence our physical and mental health. They are also able to pinpoint genetic mutations that lead to gene disorders like Down syndrome, cystic fibrosis, or sickle cell anemia. The study of genetics extends beyond humans to include all living organisms, from plants to animals. The genetic diversity found in living organisms is what makes them unique and defines the traits that make up their individuality. The field of genetics has also helped us understand the evolution of living organisms. Scientists can look at the similarities and differences in the genetic makeup of different species to trace their evolution back to their common ancestors. One of the most groundbreaking discoveries in genetics was the identification of the structure of DNA, which was accomplished by James Watson and Francis Crick in 1953. The discovery transformed the field of genetics and opened the doors to a greater understanding of heredity and the genetic mutations that cause diseases. Since then, the field of genetics has progressed, with new discoveries and advancements in technology allowing scientists to study the genetic makeup of living organisms in greater detail. In recent years, the development of CRISPR gene editing technology has allowed scientists to precisely modify DNA sequences, leading to advances in the treatment of genetic diseases. The study of genetics has also proven to be invaluable in agriculture, with scientists being able to develop crops with higher yields, greater resistance to pests and diseases, and better nutritional value. In conclusion, the field of genetics has revolutionized the way we understand our world and ourselves. From the identification of the structure of DNA to the deciphering of the human genome, genetics has provided us with a window into the complexities of life itself. It has allowed us to understand the evolution of living organisms, to develop breakthrough therapies for genetic diseases, and revolutionize the way we grow and develop our food. Now, more than ever, the study of genetics is an essential tool in the scientific toolkit, and we can expect to see even more advances in the years to come.